Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Today's topic is discuss five elements, five factors of the process of communication. There are five main factors: sender, message, media, receiver, and feedback of the process of communication. As for the concern of communication, communication is the exchange of the ideas between two minds, and this process of exchanging ideas is based on the following five factors. So, first, keep in your mind the definition of communication, that it is the exchange of thoughts, exchange of ideas between two minds. Number one is sender. Sender is the person who sends the message, who initiates the process of communication, who initiates or begins the process of communication, and he generates an idea in his mind regarding production, invention, innovation, a request, order, inquiry. So he is the first factor of communication process, and his function is to generate an idea. Therefore, it is necessary that the idea should be clear and candid and convertible into message. For this purpose, the sender needs to apply his knowledge and imaginative power. So the first factor of the process of communication is sender. Number two is message. The idea in the mind of the sender is transformed into words, and that is called message. The sender decides on the length of the message, style of the message, organization and tone of the message. The message may be presented in many ways depending on the subject, or keeping in view the purpose or audience, mental abilities of the audience, or educational background of the audience, personal personal style and mood and cultural background of the audience. Number three is media. The media of transmission of message are electronic media as TV, radio, computer, and print media as newspapers, letter, magazines. Media play a very pivotal and very important role in helping the receivers understand the message. A wrongly chosen medium can interpret the process of communication, and wrongly chosen medium can badly impact and affect the process of communication. And selection of medium depends upon message, audience, urgency, and situation. That according to the situation and according to the audience or level of the audience, you have to choose the media so that to make your communication an effective communication. If you choose wrong media, then you cannot get a positive or fruitful outcomes or results of your communication. Number four is receiver. A receiver is the person who gets the message from the sender and decodes it, understands it, and interprets it. That according to his mental abilities and capabilities, he interprets the message. If your message is clear and candid and simple and understandable, then your receiver will also help you to understand the message and then give you feedback according to your goals or according to your wishes. Number five is feedback. Having understood the message, the receiver responds to the sender in yes or no, or asks further questions. If he asks further questions, then it means that he is understanding the message sent by the sender. And if he is not understanding, then he will reply in no. If he understands the message, then he can reply in yes. It means that he will give you, the receiver will give you the feedback according to your message, and this process is called feedback. These are the five elements or five factors for the process of communication. So these five elements make communication an effective communication. If these five factors are having a problem, then your communication will be changed into defective communication. So keep these five factors while communicating with others. Thank you very much.